Yo, what's up? This is Rick Thorne. Welcome to Pool Seekers. This episode, we're in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're gonna be hanging out with TJ Lavin, pro BMXer, host of MTV. We're also gonna check out the local scene, this pool up in the desert. Also, we're gonna hang out with Mike Escamilla and Jason Enns right now at this local pool. It's gonna be sick. One thing though that's wrong, that's missing is Kevin didn't show up in the lobby this morning at the hotel, bro.
Yeah, I thought someone was missing. Hopefully we can find him later on.
Yeah, I don't know where he is. We're gonna have to catch up with him later, but I hope he's all right. Maybe he just had a rough night last night in Vegas.
Last time I saw him, it looked like he was about to, so hopefully we can track him down later on.
Welcome to Pool Seekers.
In 2018, a group of rad dudes were released into the wild on a drain 'em all mission. Their goal, to shred every empty and abandoned pool across the country. They are the Pool Seekers. Featuring Andrew Lazarick as Laser, Jeff Gibson as El Jefe, Kevin Conway, aka Kevra Yadin, and Rick Thorne as Mr. T-Bird.
This looks insane. It's huge.
What up, Jason? What up? What up, Delecki?
Yep.
Yo, is that the owner right there? Hey, hello? Hello? What's up, dude?
Hey, what's up?
Are you John?
Yeah.
Hey, nice to meet you, Rick.
Hey, Rick. Nice to see you.
Rick and Shred?
Yeah, of course.
Awesome.
Yeah. Hey, Jason, what's up?
For you.
Oh, yeah, you have the key to the castle right here.
So it's Coffee Red Bikes?
Of course.
Dude, thanks, dude.
Yeah.
Ultimate permission. This
Yeah.
pool looks sick, dude.
Yeah, hell
nice
yeah.
to meet you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You got it, man.
All right, let's
Welcome.
shred.
Pool Seekers! 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 Pool Seekers!
Awesome, dude.
Sick, man. First interview, 92.
Yeah.
Was it
You interviewed
92?
me in 92?
92. It was Moreno Valley.
Well, back then you were probably my age, huh? Like you're the same age as I am now.
Yeah, probably, or I'm double. Look at us now. We did Mall Cop together.
We did do Mall Cop together,
Video game together.
video game together.
Tony Hawk tour together.
Yeah.
Toured the world.
Together, yeah.
And now we went from nothing to something.
We got divorced together.
And then, yeah, we got divorced together, and we lost all our shit together.
Yeah.
And now we're broke back in the pool
Yeah,
together.
Yeah. Now we're old dudes in pools together. You know what it is about pools? It's not so much the pools.
What is it?
It's just hanging out with the few dudes that are fun to hang out with. You know,
Talk trash, joke
there's
around.
no ego really. We only get a couple days a week maybe that we all get together. So, I mean, there's days me and Tirada go out. And we'll go out and we'll drive like 300 miles and bikes will never come out of the car.
Just searching.
Just look for pools and we never find them, but it's still fun, you know. So
Yeah, hanging out with your buddies.
I'll do that all day long because you know you're getting older, you got family, you got all these other responsibilities, and all you really want to do is do nothing. You know, like,
Yeah,
and
you
that's
have
my
any energy
version.
left
That's
when
me
you have
version
kids?
of doing nothing. You know, other people want to go sit at the beach or sit by the pool or sit on the couch and watch football. That to me is like, that's nothing. That's like literally wasting your day.
I'd rather
for
sit
me.
in my car looking for pools.
I'd rather just be doing something, you know.
All right, we're out here. Hey, we got to pack up and go, Andrew. We got to find our buddy Kevin. Last night he was raging, and he's supposed to be here. He never showed up, so we got to go find him.
Well, I've seen Kevin.
On the way here?
No, based on the way he's dressed and his overall demeanor, I'd say good luck.
He'll stick out. We'll find him. We got to find him, though. We're going to go hit this other pool.
All right, man. Have a good one.
Follow Escamilla. We got to shred. Let's go, Andrew.
Thanks for having me, dude.
Yeah, of course. You shred. Dude, was that him?
Yeah, I
was
think that's him
someone.
on that mattress.
Dude.
Yeah, that's him.
That is him?
Dude, I can tell by the shoes.
Kevin! Kevin, get up! Where the hell have you been?
Where are you been?
Come on, dude, it's time to shred. Late night, huh? Rough night, buddy? Let's go, Kev!
Sometimes you just wanna run away. Don't know if you can go another day. Might feel like all your hope is gone. So jump forward, keep moving on. Sometimes you just wanna run away. Don't know if you can go another day. Might feel like all your hope is gone. So jump forward, keep moving on. I know sometimes it can be hard. Life is rough. Don't give up. Life is rough. Don't you give up. Hang on no matter what they say. The sun will rise on a new day. Life is the picture that you paint. You're not alone even if you feel away. Hang on no matter what they say. The sun will rise on a new day. Life is the picture that you paint. You're not alone. You're not alone. I know sometimes it can be hard. Life is rough. Don't give up. Life is
Hey, you win some, you lose some, huh, Tony, huh? Hey, Andrew, hey, you killed it, huh? Yeah, me, on the other hand, huh? You know, you don't know till you try, you drain them all. Killed it, bro. We're gonna go
Thanks,
say
dude.
hi to TJ right now.
Yeah, I'm stoked. I haven't seen him in forever.
Me neither.
Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't you ever give up.
Yeah, we got set up, bro.
Dude, he's got a 6-7 and a bunch
Look.
of rad cars.
TJ! What are you doing, dude?
What's up,
Long
man?
time no see, dude.
I know.
Is this the same house I came to before?
Yep.
It's Kevin.
What up, Kevin?
How's it going, man?
Skate, Andrew.
Man, you got a lot of
How
flash.
you doing? Nice to meet you.
What's up, man? How's it going?
How are you? You're going the flash beats.
You got a pool here we can drink?
I don't.
Damn, man. When you started riding though, you just build your own jumps. Is that how you started riding?
Yeah.
Like, or was there a racetrack?
No. It's only dirt jumping.
And you just would go just build wherever.
Right out there, right in the middle of that desert right there with that dirt, everything. You just throw the hose over the wall and then just do it.
But you're like DIY'd it. That's
The
what
whole
I'm saying.
time.
The whole thing with this show and the series that I'm doing in this series
Mm-hmm.
is DIY. Like we go, we find pools, we drain them, DIY, create your own scene. We're hitting different scenes, different people. That's why I wanted to start with you, because you're self-made, DIY, and just the whole, it's the same attitude. You know, we find a pool, or if you want to build a ramp and you got a backyard, but yours evolved into being self-made DIY. What would you give any advice to kids DIY? Or any advice to kids that want to do something?
Then just, it's as simple as doing it. Like, even just the shovel, like just pick up one flathead shovel, and the reason you want it to be flathead so it's easier to pack with. But even if it was round and that was your only choice, you could do it. It's
Yeah.
just a matter of how bad you want to jump.
Right.
How bad do you want to leave the ground on your bicycle? Like, if it's that bad, you're gonna make it happen.
You are.
So the dirt outside of this wall is brutal. And Kenan said it best when he was like, man, he must have really loved dirt jumping because the dirt out here is really bad. You know, look at it. I mean, it looks like cement, rock, stone.
It is.
You know, yeah, dude. Like,
And that's when you were saying you were kids growing that you wanted to do it. You just
yeah,
had to
dude, we just
get-
did it. Like, look at that rocky. It's really bad. So if you crash on this stuff, you're getting ate up pretty bad.
But just to dig it out, those are
Yeah,
really
but
good.
it's not even easy to dig out. So there's a lot of pickaxe and a lot of things like that. But you want it bad enough, you're gonna make it happen.
So like,
That's
just
right.
to start digging,
That's right.
just to start that first scoop,
100%.
then you're on your way.
You're on your way.
Yep.
Then the thing is that you're never ever considered a failure until you stop,
Right.
because you're just on your way to success. You're just like, so you're digging, you're building a jump. Cool, you're gonna build a set of jumps, but you're just building the jumps. And until you quit, put the shovel down and be like, I'm done with this, then you never ever failed.
Never.
So that's the same with anything, music or television or acting or producing or whatever you're doing. If you're the camera guy, like
Yeah, you
you.
camera guy, you camera guy.
So like dude, it doesn't matter what it is, whatever passion that you have, whatever you're doing. We have a gym out back, and that gym started right there in the garage with no mats, and then it started with the little rig, and then it started with some more weights, and now it's building up and more clientele, and who knows, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We started with, we have a yoga studio and Pilates. It's called True Fusion.
Oh, cool.
There's Pilates and yoga and everything else, and like,
That's cool. That's cool.
yeah,
Yeah.
and it's a little one. It's a little studio, but now it's starting to get bigger and badder. And like the guy that had the vision of making it full on, he's like, dude, this is gonna be the biggest thing since sliced bread. I'm ready. I'm like, yes, let's
Dude.
do it.
Yeah, you're a man of many talents, dude. I love it. I love it. Very motivating. It's
Right
awesome.
on, man.
Sick. Thanks for
My
the lowdown,
pleasure,
dude.
man. My pleasure. I
TJ
came home
Lavin.
early for you. I came home early for you, baby. What
I
happened?
know you did. I know you did. Oh, earlier today?
Yeah, you mother-
Okay, here's what happened.